There, welcome to our channel. Are you ready to unlock your online earnings and start monetizing YouTube? Today, we've got the ultimate guide for you. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Create quality content. The key to success on YouTube starts with creating high-quality content that captivates your audience. Whether it's vlogs, tutorials, or entertaining skits, make sure your content stands out from the competition. Step 2. Find your niche. Discover your passion and choose a niche that suits you. This will help you build a loyal fan base and establish yourself as an expert in your field. Step 3. Optimize your videos. Next, optimize your videos for discoverability. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Make eye-catching thumbnails and engaging video intros to grab viewers' attention. Step 4. Build a brand. Creating a strong brand is essential to attracting sponsors and partners. Design a professional logo and customize your channel's layout to reflect your unique style. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Interacting with your viewers is crucial. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage your audience to participate, creating a sense of community. Step 6. Monetize with AdSense. To start earning money, you'll need to apply for Google AdSense, which allows you to show ads on your content. Once approved, you can make money from ad clicks and views. Step 7. Explore sponsorships. Don't underestimate the power of sponsorships. Collaborating with brands and promoting their products can be a lucrative income stream. Just make sure it aligns with your content and audience. Some text goes here. Create merchandise. Why not take your brand to the next level by offering merchandise? T-shirts, mugs, and other goodies can boost your income while promoting your channel. Step 9. Leverage affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another way to make money on YouTube. Promote products or services with unique links and earn a commission for each sale you generate. Step 10. Repeat and grow. As you gain more experience, continue creating amazing content, expanding your audience, and exploring new monetization strategies. Stay consistent, and the possibilities are limitless. Thanks for watching our ultimate guide to monetizing YouTube. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content just like this. Until next time, keep creating and unlocking your online earnings.